Look at that. Yes. Well, I had to bring the bling, so I just want to show you right quick. So look at my hat. Look at that hat. I'm so in love with this hat. Hello, you guys. It's Coco Sherelle from Fancy Bling Things, and I'm here today with an hat, an old hat. And I already started putting some crystal around that part right there. But my main goal on this hat is to completely bling it out. My vision for this hat was to wear it, and I want like people to be blinded. Not literally, but I wanted to shine from all angles. So I'm gonna speed this video up because as you see, this is gonna be a big project, but I wanna do the entire hat. I had this hat for a while. I've been rocking it, but my main thing, because it's silver, I knew, oh yeah, I'm gonna put some crystals on there. And of course, with my business and my customers and my orders, have not got around to it. But today is the day, or at least part of the day, because I don't know how much I'm going to finish. But like again, I am going to speed this video up. Okay, so stay tuned. I'm going to get started. So in these parts right here, I'm just gonna add bigger crystals into that hole like this with glue. But because there's a bar there, I'm gonna use hot glue to make sure that it stays put. And then I'm going to start on the rest. But so far, I love it. Look at that bling. Look at that. I'm a walking disco ball.